Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th. The chapter is diversity in our society. Okay, so we are going to see the keywords. So the keywords is like diversity, colonial, cultural, lamas, fractions. Okay, na? And these are the notes there. Okay, na? These are the notes. Okay. Uh, it is like blue it is given, but it is not like that. Okay na? Answers are here. Difference in the cultural languages etc, only related to the previous etc. Okay na? Right, so is it clear to you? So if you have a if you have a textbook, then take your textbook with yourself, because whenever you get doubt in this one, so you can easily look at it in your textbook. Okay na? So then talk about the improve your learnings. Generally these are the question answers, and here you will understand. Give two examples of the tribals of the diversity in your neighborhood. Okay, and this is the answer. All right, so after that all, this is of prepare a tables of similar items in different religions and whatever it is, and this is the answer. This is like Hinduism go to the temples, festivals. Islam's they go to the masjid etc. Okay na? Right, so let's talk about the third one. This is the answer of third one. How do you say that the national sports meet develop unity in diversity? And this is the fourth one, and this is the answer of that. Okay, is it clear? And this is the fifth question, and this is the answer. This is the sixth question, this is the answer. Okay, is it clear to you? Right, so let's talk about the seventh one. This is the seventh one answer, and this is the eighth question, and this is the answer. Like foods, like item it is given myself, right? Like friends and friend, like friend in the females. Okay. Oh, what is it? What is it? It's male and female. Okay, rotis. All right, so let's talk about this one. Once look at that, what is telling this one. Once look at in your textbook. Okay, look at that in your textbook. Okay, then this is your, and this is justify answer. Ninth one, look at this. Like Thar desert in Rajasthan, Sikkim northeast. Okay, now Punjab in northwest, Telangana south central India, and Kerala southwest India. Tamil Nadu it is in the Tamil Nadu in the coast. Okay na, Pondicherry. Right, this is the 10th one, and this is the answer of that one. Okay, is it clear to you? Right, so let's, okay, so I think this chapter is overall ended here. Okay na, let's see this one. So this chapter is ended here only. Whatever in this chapter, everything is clear. So if you need any subjects question answer, so you can check out our playlist. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet into the next video. Jai Hind.